Hello my friends, I wanted to show you how to use Screencast. Screencast is great because it allows you to film whatever you're doing on your screen without having to show your face. So I'm using a MacBook right now, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Google Chrome. Here you can see Screencast-O-Matic. What you're going to want to do is go to the free launcher. When you first go to Screencast, okay, it's going to bring you actually to a page that says you need to pay. But you do not need to pay. As an educator and for free, you can definitely start recording. So when you hit start recording for free, it'll bring you to this page. It'll have you launch the free recorder. After you launch the free recorder, a screen is going to pop up that has dashes around it. The dashes around it will show you what it is that will be filmed on this page. So right now, if you can see here, I can actually make my borders, which you can't see, bigger and smaller.